up, everybody? It's your boy jkoolii back with another video. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Now, today is a very special day. It's a bittersweet kind of day. If you're not familiar with this channel, I do have a 2016 Charger RT, and I will be trading it in for a new vehicle for the channel. What that vehicle is, you gotta stay tuned and watch. But basically, in remembrance to my RT Charger, I'm gonna put together a little montage. It's gonna go in the clip right next after this, so stay tuned and enjoy. Take one last look at the baby. It ain't RP, it's just goodbye. I don't know, but it's the last time I see this boy. It's tripping. Headed to the dealership right now. Gotta fill out some paperwork when I get there. Hand over the keys to this car. Get my new keys. If y'all feel like guessing what the car is, y'all probably already seen it in the description or thumbnail, whatever. But if you feel like guessing, go ahead. What you think I'll get? Coming out of a 2016 Charger RT. It's 2020 now. Remember that. We don't want no old cars. We want our own shit, you feel me? I worked real hard last year to save up to even be able to do this, feel me? So, I'm proud of myself, you know, it's an accomplishment at the end of the day, you feel me? But still kind of bittersweet, because this was my first car that I ever purchased in my life, which was a 2016 Charger RT. I'm sorry, this bitch got a muffler lead, so it's kind of wrong. But yeah, let's go pick up the new whip, man. Let's get it. Hey, since y'all already know the whatever car it is, I want y'all to guess the color then, you feel me? Just to give y'all something, you know. Feel me? Whoever get it right, feel me? Kinda excited, kinda tight, nervous beat. But when I went to go look at it the first time, it was like plastic everywhere, you know, wrapped up, like just got off the truck type. But I'm about to go check this shit out. Oh, they got a track hog up here too.
I got the packs, you got the racks, it's nothing 100 a stack. Cook it up, hook it up. She want my name on her back. Scribble my name in calligraphy. I'm out of here, channel is history. She asking me, hey, where you finna be? Finna be after them packs. I got the packs, you got the racks. It's nothing 100 a stack. Cook it up, hook it up. She want my name on her back. Scribble my name in calligraphy. I'm out of here, channel is history. She asking me, hey, where you finna be? Finna be after them packs.
Yes, sir. Got the flat bottom steering wheel. Alright, so pulling off in the Scat now. Sign the paperwork. Mount this thing. This shit is night and day difference, bro. Just comparing the fucking acceleration and the RT to this, it's night and fucking day, man. This thing, man. I can't even afford snowing and shit. Give it a little full. That's all I got. Fuck this shit. But yeah, it's your boy jkoolii. Your boy in a Widebody Scat now. Feeling itself. But shit. I'm about to go hit up AutoZone. Get some floor mats because these shoes fucking up my shit already. But that's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep watching for more content. This is the very beginning of the beginning, so just stay tuned, rock with me, and I'll rock with y'all. I'm out this thing. Peace.